Okay, so now on the back, we're going to practice our subtraction because we've been doing it for a couple of weeks. Like, hopefully you're able to do most of these without really any help. But I am here to help just in case we forget. So let's do 14 minus 9. Start on 14 and count back 9. What did you stop on? Yeah, it's 5. 17 minus 3. Start on 17. Count back 3. It's 14. 16 minus 2. If you start on 16 and go back 2, 14. 20 minus 8 is a lot like 10 friends, but we just do it with 20 instead of 10. So this is 12. And 15 minus 4 is 11. 19 minus 5 is going to be 14. 12 minus 7, 5. And 15 minus 12, I want you to think 5 minus 2 is 3. And then the 1 minus 1 is 0, so that's just 3. Okay? 18 minus 2, if you go back from 18 2 spots, you land on 16. 14 minus 0, since you're not subtracting anything, it's just 14. 20 minus 3, I want you to think of 10 friends. What is 3's 10 friend? 7, right? So this one is 17. 17 minus 10, we think of numbers that we add 10 to get the number. So this one is 7. Okay, 16 minus 6 is the same thing. So this one would be 10. It's just a little bit different. Okay. 19 minus 4. So if I think 9 minus 4 is 5, and then I just do the 1 because I didn't subtract anything. Allie's here to help with 15 minus 2. So what's 15 minus 2 going to be?
So that is going to be, so think in your head what 15 take away 2 would be. So that is 13. Because if you just think 3 plus 2 equals 5, if you just think that, then if you take it away, then that's what it will equal.
Okay, what about 12 minus 8? How would you figure that out?
So 8 plus 8 is not 12, but I would just count back. So
what if we start on 8 and count up to 12?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
How many times did we count?
4 times.
4 times. So the answer is 4. Now the next one is a backwards double. So we don't have to do any counting. We just know the answer is what? 9.
Yeah, 9.
Because 9 plus 9 is 18. So then 18 minus 9 is 9.
9.
Okay, so if the next one was 14 minus 10, it would be 4. But it's 14 minus 9, so one more is
9.
5.
5.
Because 14 minus 10 would be 4, so it's one more is. There you go. Okay, now do 17 minus 8. How would we do that?
So
17. Let's start on
17, and then if it was 17, take away 10, then that would equal 17.
7, but
7.
It's not. It's 2
but
more.
It's 2 more. So
7 plus
that
2 is 9. Okay. Now if we have 20 minus 7, let's think 10 friends. What's 7's 10 friend?
3.
So instead of it being 3, it's 13. So 13. Okay, 16 minus 4.
So just think doubles.
No,
4.
count back. Start on 16, count back 4.
So 16. Grab 16.
Count back 4.
15, 14, 13, 12. So that equals
12.
12.
Okay, 3 more to go. 19 minus 15. So let's start on 15 and count how many hops to get to 19. Ready? 16,
17, 18, 19.
So the answer is
4.
Okay, so if the next one was 15 minus 10, it would be 5, right?
Mm-hmm.
But it's 15 minus 9, so instead of 5, we're going to add one more. It's
4.
6.
4.
6. So we got to add the 1. Last one.
That's one.
11 minus 2. Let's just count back.
11,
10,
9. So that equals 9.
Yep. Thanks, Allie. Okay, boys and girls, good job today.
Draw a heart wherever you want. A heart, star, or a smiley face.
Good job.
Good job today.
Now, boys and girls, please write your name at the top of your paper. So we are going to be doing backwards doubles this week. And so what basically backwards doubles is that if you know you're adding doubles, then when you see them in subtraction, you don't have to use your number line or anything because you'll just know what the answer is. So if 7 plus 7 is 14, then 14 minus 7 is what? 7. See how much easier that is than trying to use your number line, and like what if you're counting and you get lost or something like that? Like you don't have to worry about it because it's just right there. So if 9 plus 9 is 18, then 18 minus 9 is 9. Okay, so 8 plus 8 is 16. Then 16 minus 8 is 8. Very good. Okay, so if we have 2 plus 2 is 4, then 4 minus 2 is 2. And our last example is if 3 plus 3 is 6, then 6 minus 3 is 3.